Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to install Java 14 in Windows 10. So let's start. First, we will check whether Java is already installed in the system or not. For that, go to command prompt and type java-version. This command tells the installed version of the Java in the system. As we can see that Java is not installed in this system. So we will be downloading Java from the Oracle website. I will provide the URL in the description box. Here we can see there are many packages for different operating system for Java 14. For Windows, we have two options. Either we can install Java using installer, which is the executable Windows file, or we can use compress archive, which is a zip file. So in this tutorial, I will be installing through installer. So click on this link and accept the license of the Oracle and click on download button. I have already downloaded one. So let's proceed with the installation process. Double click on the setup file. Windows installer is preparing to install. As we can see, we will be having welcome installation wizard. Click on next. Here in this destination folder panel, we can select the installation path of the Java. So for now, I am taking the default path C program files Java. You can select any of the path by clicking change button. Click next. Now installation is in progress. Let's wait to complete the installation. As we can see, it is registering the project and extracting the installer. As we can see that the Java is installed successfully. Now we have to set environment variable. If we don't want set environment variable, then every time we have to go to bin path of the Java folder to execute the Java file. To get rid of this complication, we set the environment variable so that we can run Java file from any location of the Windows. For setting the environment variable, go to System Properties. On the left panel, add, click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variable. I am setting environment variable at system level. If you want to know difference between system level variable or user level variable, watch my last video. Click on New and type in caps Java underscore home. And in variable value, we will be providing the Java installed location, C drive, program files, Java and Java 14. Copy the path and paste in variable value. Click on OK. Now we have system variable, but we have to set it to the path variable. So click on Edit button of path variable, click on New and type ampersand Java underscore home ampersand backslash bin. Click on OK button. We can directly give the full path of the Java up to bin folder in path variable, but whenever you want to change the Java version, then every time you have to change the path variable. Instead of doing this, we just update the Java home variable with desired Java version. and it will work for you. So click on OK. Now we will check Java is installed to the environment variable or not. For that, again we will run the same command java-version. Now we can see that we have installed Java and set it to the environment variable. We can see Java version 14.0.1 and which type of architecture it is, 64-bit VM. Now you are ready to start coding. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you are new, subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share this video. Bye bye.